Step 1, get the motherboard out.
Is this it?
That's it.
I didn't get to pick this.
Because I had one.
It's empty.
So you had it in there.
I was just joking.
Nice nails. Wow, you're very good at this. We're gonna run the wires through the case. So we gotta get the case out. You don't wanna do that.
She did not want to do that.
Okay. So, queso.
Oh, yum.
Set that aside.
The cable management did itself.
Wow, babe, it's so...
The cable management is really good, babe. It's these screws right here. They do take quite a bit of force. Uh-oh, baby.
What?
They're upside down. So now, technically, we should be able to power it on.
Do we need to put the power button on here?
3, 2, 1. It's working!
It looks really cool.
Oh.
I did it. We did it.